flight. Kuha lang kami ng Suica card para makaikot kami ng Tokyo. I'll just check them. Sige, diin. Nakakita kami ng park, maliit na park. So, they're here. Ayan. Silang dalawa. Let's do it. Si Kali.
Stand up. Yan. Roll.
Okay. Tingnan mo yung puwet niya, baka madumi. Hindi. Where's Kali? Kali, come on, slide. Kiniginaw yata. Kiniginaw yata. Come on here. Dito. Stop. Slide. Again daw, again. Again. Aya. Again.
Last one na yan, ha?
Then we ran.
Kami, enough na.
I'm gonna catch Callie.
Let's go.
I'm going to catch her.
No more, don't catch Kali. You might get hurt. Oh, Kali, let's go down now. You slide. Dali. And then run, go after ate. Ate's there na, oh. Oh, you see, mommy, help her. I can't, sabi niya. I can't get out, mommy. I'm stuck. Kali, come on. Let's go na. Oo, alika na. Slide na. Oh, get one. Tapos lagay natin sa ana. Slide na. Nakuha ka nga. Ikuha mo nga ako na maganda. Tapos ipit mo dun sa yung note ko. May note ako dyan. Kahit dalawa lang. Where's Kali? Where's Kali? Kali! Kali! Hoagie! It's Hoagie! It's a frog! Hoagie, where are you?
Dito na, pwede dipot na. Daddy signature na.
Oh, you put your name. What is signature mean? Put your name. Hi, good.
Ayan, nakailera na sila. Cheers, Aya. Look at me, Aya. Look at me. Look at me. Yay! Anong ginagawa? Piniprint? O t-shirt?